Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve this interesting math problem, that is 5 power x power 2 by 25 power x equal 125, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So this I can write it as 5 power x power 2 by 25 as 5 square equal 125. Now this becomes 5 power x square by here a whole power x. So this becomes 5 power 2x equal 125. Now as per exponent rule, a power m by a power n, we can write it as a power m minus n. So this left hand side becomes 5 power x square minus 2x equal 125. I can write it as 5 cube. Now if we compare both sides, so x square minus 2x equal 3. So take this to other side. This 3 as negative 3 equals 0. Now this negative 2x, I can write it as 3x plus x minus 3 equals 0. Now from first two term, if I'll take x as common, x minus 3. If I'll take 1 as common, x minus 3 equals 0. So x minus 3 is common, so it becomes x plus 1 equals 0. Now we have two factors, both are equals to 0. So x minus 3 equals 0, x equal 3, and x plus 1 equals 0, x equal minus 1. So these are the two values of x. So let's verify. So first x equal 3. So 5 power x square by 25 power x equal 125. So 5 power 3 square by 25 power 3. So 5 power 3 square is 9 by 25. We can write it as 5 square whole power 3. So 5 power 9 by 5 power 6, which we can write it as 5 power 9 minus 6, that is 5 power 3, which is equals to 125. So yes, LHS is equals to RHS. So x equal 3 is the verified solution. Now x equal minus 1. So 5 power minus 1 square by 25 power minus 1. So 5 power minus 1 square is 1 by 25 is 5 square whole power minus 1. So 5 power 1 by 5 power minus 2. So it becomes 5 power 1 minus minus 2. So 5 power 1 plus 2, which is equals to 5 power 3, that is 125. So here is also LHS equal RHS. So x is equals to 1 minus 1 and x is equals to 3 is the verified solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.